In this video, I'm going to show my students a different way that they can do fractions with equations or equations with fractions. So let's go.
So 4 times negative 8x plus 5, which is, all right? So do the first thing you need to do? Distribute the 4. Okay, are we ready? So the first thing that you have to do is distribute that 4 inside here, okay? So 4 times negative 8 is negative 32, and then the x, you have to keep the x, and then 4 times 5 is plus 20. And then the rest of it I just copy. Does anybody know what to do after this? So I would add 30 to both sides. That's what I would do. Why do you do that? Because then that turns that into a 0 over there. So I get negative 2x plus 20 equals negative 26. Let me know if you have a question. You know what to do after this? I need to combine like terms, right? So I need to get that 20 to the other side. So I subtract 20 from both sides. And again, I get 0 here. So I get negative 2x equals negative 46. And if you look on your factor chart, what are the multiples of 46? What are the factors of 46 if you look on your factor chart?
2 and 23.
So if it's 2 and 23 and I divide both sides by negative 2, I'm going to get what? Divide by, I'm going to divide. I divide by negative 2. So 46 divided by 2 is what? What's my factors again? For 46.
1 and 46 and 2 and 23.
Okay, so if I divide by 2, what's the other factor? 23. Right? So think about 46 like it's money. If I said, what's half of $46? You probably will tell me it's $23 quickly. And isn't that what you got on your sheet? You got x equals 23. I hope you did. Oh, no, number 8. Yeah, I'm going to do number 8. Because most people and most students, not just you all, but because I teach college level 2, college students have trouble with fractions. So I'm going to do 2 things at once. I'm going to show you how to do it with fractions and how to solve equations. Okay. What is a common multiple for 8 and 9?
Which one is that?
2,
Number 8. Oops, I didn't write 8.
2 and 4.
For 8 and 9, try again.
Oh, common multiple?
Yeah, because we need a common denominator, right? So we have to have something that 8 and 9 can be divided into.
Yeah.
72. It's 72. Now, the way that you all learned how to do fractions when you have a common denominator is to make both of the denominators 72 by doing it like this, right? Didn't you all learn it that way? I'm going to show you a different way. So what is my common denominator again? 72. So I'm going to write 72 times x divided by 8 minus x divided by 9. That's equal to 1. Okay? Now, because it is an equation, I also have to multiply this side by 72 as well. Because something magical happens when you do it this way. You can get rid of the fractions this way. We could also do it the first way, but we would have a bunch of fractions. Yeah, I want to get rid of them. So 72 divided by 8. Okay. So what is 72 divided by 8? It's 9. So I can automatically cross that out and put a 9 here. Also, what is 72 divided by 9? It's 8. So I can put an 8 next to that one. So this will be 9x minus 8x equals 72. And what was answered? Let me say.
Where's your 72?
That was the answer? There you go. Look how quickly we got that done. Look, 9x minus, look how quickly we got done. So this is x equals 72. And that's what you got in the calculator, right? So you see how quickly I got rid of the fractions? All I did was multiply by the common denominator.